everybody, Giselle here. We are back for another tutorial, and today we'll talk about a zip code lookup. Now, zip codes are an integral part of making sure that mail is processed and delivered quickly and efficiently. So if you have a zip code and you want to find its location, or you want to find the zip code of a specific city and state, this tool is for you. So let's move in. Go to searchbug.com and log in or sign up for a free account. And once you're in, go to Lookups and then zip code lookup. Okay, there you go. So first, let's try to find the location for this zip code 44101. Click Find City. Okay, there. So the zip code 44101 is in Cleveland, Ohio. This tool also displays the location map, applicable area codes, time zones, and current time. Next, let's proceed. Let's find out the zip code for New York. And click search. Okay, there you go. So these are the zip codes for New York, New York. You can click each zip code to view the location map, area codes, time zone, current time, and etc. And by the way, the cost for this search is only 1 cent or 1 search token. And that's it. It's so easy.